Taking something from concept to a tangible product that you can touch and use is a satisfying experience. And it's the core of 3D Innovations, a relatively new local technology company.
CAD stands for computer-aided design and is an engineering software tool that allows you to create product designs versus 2D CAD, which is an old standard. 3D is kind of taking over that standard now. Being a small business, trying to start up is hard. You know, you have to have the right contacts, trying to find people who are trained that can help you sell your service and your product.
That's where the High Tech Development Corporation comes in. It assists technology companies with a variety of needs, everything from applying for government grants to making contacts in the business world.
HTDC has helped me a lot for the small monthly fee that I pay them. I'm able to use conference rooms on site, and they're able to provide me with seminars, and they just help me a lot with those types of things.
Kobayashi built his business around a need in the community. He noticed the void when he went away to the mainland for college. Students there were already using CAD. High schools on the mainland were ahead of Hawaii. So Kobayashi set about to change that. When he returned to the islands, he approached public high schools and introduced them to CAD.
So CAD is a design tool, and it's used for areas of STEM, which stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. And it can be used in those types of courses to help students create different skills and learn about STEM. So this course would help them get an understanding of what STEM is and show them what CAD is and how CAD can be used for their current coursework, but also when they want to go out and find different jobs.
Kobayashi is hired independently by individual schools because each school has a different budget and different goals. To get high school students interested, you have to show something to which they can relate.
So here I have an iPod design, and I create this iPod design, or this 3D model, so students can get interested in CAD by creating models of things that they currently have or that they would want to make better.
The system also allows the student to create product designs like this bottle. You can show cross-sections of what the inside of the bottle would look like and show different features of the bottle, like the threads or the cap. Even show how the features work together. Students learn by doing.
The CAD can also be used to create products like this fender that can be used for the bike designs, and students can create different sizes for different types of bikes that they have, and it shows them how the process of CAD works to create product designs.
Once the model is created, fabrication drawings show various views of the product to give the manufacturer an idea of how to make it. Students learn all the mechanics during the course.
So CAD can also be used to show how parts fit together and how it functions. So here I have a vise, and I have all the parts assembled to see how it fits. And I can show an exploded view of this to show someone how the parts fit together.
3D CAD uses 3D printing technology as well, taking your software model into a functional prototype. 3D printing technology takes one of several forms. Kobayashi likes to use two different printers.
One is a powder-based printer, which is shown here with this model. And this is a model of a bottle, and the cap can unscrew from the model to see how it fits. The other product is a plastic-based printer, which prints in the same manner. It prints it by cross-section. So each layer is printed from the bottom up.
With today's changing economy, budget cuts are commonplace, which means schools that were once interested in CAD programs are scrambling to find funding to continue.
Some of the schools who had signed up to do it, after all the cuts, they still want to do this program. So they're trying to find the monies to help their program keep going, and so it's a bit of a challenge, but there are some schools who still want to move forward.
When the schools don't have the budget, Kobayashi has a backup plan. He hires himself out to businesses as an engineer consultant. So
businesses who have different types of things that they need to have done, they would call me, and I would create the 3D models and then help them with having the parts made, so creating drawings and then having the models there. So if they wanted to print the models, that's also one thing that they can do.
Hawaii's leaders have said the state's future is in innovation and technology, and Kobayashi's business fits right in. Nurtured by HTDC and driven by his desire to succeed, Kobayashi is preparing Hawaii students for college and the workplace. To learn more about his business, log on to the company website at www.3d-innovations.com, or you can call him at 722-8667.